The holiday season is upon us, filling the air with joy and excitement. While most people are busy decking the halls and preparing for festivities, there are those who find solace in expressing their true selves through cross-dressing. Cross-dressing, a practice that challenges traditional gender norms by wearing clothing typically associated with the opposite sex, has long served as a form of self-expression and empowerment. And this Christmas, we're taking things up a notch by shining a spotlight on one specific garment: leather skirts. Imagine walking into your annual office Christmas party or joining family gatherings, confidence radiating from within as you rock an edgy leather skirt. It's time to break free from societal expectations and embrace your authentic self while strutting down any path you choose. In this video, we'll take you on an insightful journey into cross-dressing during the festive season, exploring powerful personal stories, sharing fashion tips for pulling off that perfect leather skirt look, and ultimately igniting the spark of acceptance within ourselves and society. Curious yet? Join us as we delve into this electrifying world where boundaries blur between masculine and feminine fashion choices. Prepare to be inspired by real-life experiences that will challenge your perception of identity expression while encouraging inclusivity and self-acceptance like never before. When it comes to expressing our true selves, there is a profound power that lies within embracing our unique identities. For many individuals, cross-dressing serves as an avenue of self-expression that allows them to tap into their authentic selves and unleash their inner confidence. In donning a leather skirt this Christmas, they are not only challenging societal norms but also celebrating the multifaceted nature of human identity. Each person's decision to cross-dress is deeply personal and rooted in individual experiences and desires. Some may find solace in breaking free from societal expectations and gender stereotypes, seeking liberation through clothing choices that align with their true essence. Others might view cross-dressing as an artistic expression or a way to explore diverse aspects of themselves beyond traditional binary notions of gender. For some individuals, cross-dressing acts as a form of empowerment, a means by which they can reclaim control over their bodies and redefine what it means to be confident. Stepping out in a leather skirt this holiday season exudes both strength and vulnerability simultaneously, sending a powerful message about self-assurance while rejecting any limitations placed on femininity or masculinity. While every person's journey towards embracing self-expression through cross-dressing is unique, one common thread binds them: the quest for authenticity. The ability to embrace who we truly are is liberating. It frees us from the constraints imposed by society and allows us to live life on our own terms. So why not walk the line this Christmas? Whether you're male or female bodied doesn't matter when it comes to expressing yourself authentically. You deserve the freedom to wear what makes you feel good inside and out. Embrace your uniqueness with open arms, because being true to yourself is where real confidence stems from. When it comes to cross-dressing during the holiday season, choosing the perfect outfit can be both exciting and challenging. One fabulous option to consider is pairing a leather skirt with festive attire. Not only does this combination exude confidence and style, but it also allows for an eclectic mix of textures and colors that will make heads turn at any Christmas party. To create a show-stopping look, try matching your leather skirt with a sparkly or sequined top in rich jewel tones like emerald green or ruby red. The contrasting textures of leather and glitter will add depth to your ensemble while simultaneously embracing the essence of the festive season. In terms of footwear, think bold and daring. Ankle boots adorned with metallic accents or thigh-high stiletto boots can elevate your outfit to new heights. These statement shoes not only provide an edgy touch but also elongate the legs when paired with a shorter leather skirt. No outfit is complete without accessories, especially during Christmas. When accessorizing your leather skirt ensemble, there are several options that complement the overall look perfectly. Firstly, consider adding a wide belt around your waistline to accentuate your curves in all their glory. Opt for one made from faux animal skin or embellished metal details for an extra dose of flair. Another accessory that adds charm is a statement necklace. Choose one in silver or gold hues adorned with glitzy gemstones to catch everyone's eye when you enter the room. Finally, don't underestimate the power of small touches like earrings or bracelets that match back to some element within your outfit. Whether they're delicate hoops or chunky bangles, these little details tie everything together seamlessly while displaying attention to detail and personal style. Remember, fashion knows no boundaries nor gender confines. Embrace yourself fully this holiday season by walking confidently along the line between gender norms. In the spirit of celebrating individuality and self-expression, let's delve into some personal stories from individuals who have embraced cross-dressing during previous Christmases. These anecdotes are a testament to the power of breaking free from societal constraints and finding confidence in embracing one's true identity. Meet Alex, a young man who discovered his passion for cross-dressing after stumbling upon a vintage leather skirt at a thrift store. Intrigued by its boldness, he mustered up the courage to try it on and never looked back. As Christmas approached that year, he decided to wear the leather skirt to his family gathering. Despite initial concerns about judgment or ridicule, Alex was pleasantly surprised by the overwhelmingly positive response from his loved ones. It became an opportunity for open-minded discussions about gender expression and how we can challenge traditional norms during holiday celebrations. Now let's shift gears and hear another perspective, that of Sarah, a transgender woman who found solace in expressing herself through cross-dressing during Christmas gatherings with her chosen family. For years, Sarah struggled with feeling like an outsider around her conservative biological family members. But when she found acceptance within her new support system of friends and allies, she finally felt comfortable showcasing her true self through fashion choices such as leather skirts. The holiday season now represents not only celebration but also a powerful reminder of acceptance towards all forms of gender expression. These stories highlight how cross-dressing has paved the way for individuals like Alex and Sarah to embrace their authentic selves despite fear or societal pressure. Their journeys towards self-acceptance inspire us all to walk our own path confidently this Christmas season, whether that means donning a leather skirt or any other form of unique expression that brings us joy. One of the greatest challenges faced by individuals who engage in cross-dressing is navigating through societal biases and stereotypes. Unfortunately, there are still many misconceptions surrounding this form of self-expression that can make it difficult for people to fully embrace their true selves. It is often assumed that cross-dressers are confused about their gender identity or sexual orientation, which couldn't be further from the truth. In reality, cross-dressing is simply a way for some individuals to authentically express themselves and explore different aspects of their identity. Facing potential judgment or discrimination can be daunting, but it's important to remember that owning your confidence can help you navigate these challenges with grace. One strategy is education. Arming yourself with knowledge about cross-dressing and its history can help dispel myths and educate others on the authenticity behind it. Surrounding yourself with a supportive community, whether online or offline, can also provide a sense of belonging while offering guidance and advice when needed. Additionally, developing strong self-esteem will allow you to rise above any negativity thrown your way. Remember, confidence comes from within. Wearing a leather skirt during Christmas, or any time, sends a powerful message of self-acceptance and fearlessness in embracing one's own unique style. Next section, rock that look. Embracing fashion freedom. Providing fashion tips for incorporating leather skirts into holiday outfits, highlighting the versatility and empowerment found in expressing oneself through clothing. In the spirit of the holiday season, it is essential to embrace diversity and promote inclusivity. Cross-dressing is a form of self-expression that challenges societal norms surrounding gender identity. It's about individuals embracing their authentic selves and feeling confident in their own skin. By encouraging acceptance of those who identify as cross-dressers, we can create a more inclusive society where everyone feels valued and respected. This means respecting people's choices to express themselves in ways that may be considered unconventional or outside traditional gender roles. To truly embody the inclusive spirit of Christmas, let us extend our understanding beyond clothing preferences and focus on what unites us all: love, joy, compassion, and acceptance. Just as we celebrate different cultural traditions during this festive season, let us also celebrate diverse expressions of identity. Promoting an inclusive holiday experience for all ensures that no one feels excluded or judged based on their chosen way of expressing themselves. By creating spaces where cross-dressers feel welcome without judgment or discrimination, we contribute towards fostering a sense of belonging within our communities. So this Christmas season, let's carve out a place at the table for everyone. Whether they're wearing tailored suits or fabulous leather skirts, let's embrace diversity with open minds and hearts, celebrating uniqueness while spreading love and warmth to all those around us. Together we can create a world where individuals are free to express themselves authentically without fear or shame. And in doing so, we will not only find greater acceptance but also discover an enriched tapestry of human experiences that make each holiday gathering truly unforgettable. In conclusion, the holiday season is meant to be a time of joy and celebration, but it can also bring feelings of anxiety and pressure to conform. However, embracing our true selves is the greatest gift we can give ourselves during this time. By exploring cross-dressing as a form of self-expression and donning a leather skirt, individuals have found liberation and empowerment. This Christmas, let's challenge societal norms and celebrate diversity by encouraging inclusivity in our celebrations. Whether you identify as male, female, non-binary or anywhere along the gender spectrum, it's crucial to honor your authentic identity and express it with confidence. So go ahead and step boldly into that leather skirt this holiday season, not just because it's fashionable or edgy, but because it represents something deeper within yourself. Embracing your unique path towards self-acceptance through cross-dressing will not only empower you but inspire others around you as well. Let us make this Christmas an opportunity for love, acceptance, understanding, all while rocking that leather skirt with pride.